Guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I've brought you a fantastic mining application, and it's a Depin project. I came across this project this afternoon, and I've spent a good part of the day researching it. Registering on it isn't very easy, so you'll need to pay close attention to understand how to register for this airdrop and start mining. What you'll need first is a PC or laptop. If you don't have a laptop, you'll need to download the Mises browser on your phone. The Mises browser looks like this, so download it from the Google Play Store. You'll also need a MetaMask wallet. Once you have MetaMask, make sure you also have your seed phrases. If you don't have the seed phrases for MetaMask, you can easily retrieve them anytime. Here's how. Go to Settings, then Security, and select Reveal Secret Phrases. Answer the two questions, then enter your MetaMask wallet password to continue. You'll then see your secret phrases, provided you didn't save them when you first created the wallet. You'll need these phrases later to import your MetaMask into the Mises browser. Now, let me take you step by step through the registration process. Be sure to follow carefully, because if you miss any step, you could run into problems. Step 1. Check our Telegram channel for the registration link. The link will also be in the description of this video. Once you click the link, enter your email, password, and confirm the password. Then click Sign Up. That's it. You've created your account. You don't even need to log in right away. Step 2. Download the extension using the Mises browser. The download link is also in our Telegram channel. Copy the link from there, open the Mises browser, paste it into the search bar, and press Enter. This will open a page where you'll see the option Add to Chrome. In your case, it will say this instead of Remove from Chrome. Click it and wait until it changes to Remove from Chrome, which means the extension has been successfully added. To access the extension, click on the small icon at the bottom right of the browser where all your extensions appear. You'll see iFlux Mining Node, which is the project we're working on. Open it, and it will ask you to log in using the email and password you just created. Once you log in, you'll see the option to connect your node on the dashboard. Click Open Dashboard, and there you'll be able to connect. If it doesn't connect the first time, refresh the page, go back to Extensions, and open it again. When I first tried, I had to repeat the process twice before it worked. Keep trying until it shows connected, and you'll also see the option to remove this device. That means your device has been successfully linked and is now mining. From there, you'll be able to see the tokens you're mining in real time and also the tokens available to claim. When you click Tokens to Claim, it may ask you to connect your MetaMask wallet or another supported wallet. If you choose MetaMask, make sure it's already added. At this point, connecting MetaMask is optional. For now, the most important step is simply connecting your node. Later, I'll create another video to show you exactly how to connect MetaMask to claim your tokens as you continue mining. Currently, the total number of people mining this project is 17,000, with 12,000 already active. We are mining 222,222 tokens out of the total supply of 4,444,444, which means 50% of the supply is being mined. This is a project you definitely don't want to miss. The token, iFlux on BNB, also has a white paper you can read if you wish. I've just started this project about an hour ago, so I haven't fully gone through the white paper yet, but I'm confident this is a project worth mining. All you need to do is connect your node and let it mine automatically. To revisit your mining progress, just click the extension icon and select iFlux Mining Node. You'll then see your mining activity. For example, after my first hour, I mined 0.01 tokens. They deposit coins every single hour. The initial mining rate is about 0.23 hashes per second, which means in 24 hours, you can mine around 0.19 tokens per day. Close to 0.2. The rate might seem small, but that's because the total supply being mined is only 2 million tokens, and the number of participants will keep growing. The earlier you start, the better, because the rate may decrease further as more people join. This is definitely a project you don't want to miss. Get started today and begin mining. I'll keep updating you in future videos with any new steps or requirements. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.